Bye.
Hey Glam Squad, welcome back. I'm here to talk to you today about the slime green wig that I made. You see. But first, I'm gonna get some more wine. Ooh, child, I'm back. As I was saying, welcome back. Thanks for showing up. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I made this beautiful, illustrious lime green wig. A 10-inch wig I got from Amazon. This is a 613 13x4 lace frontal wig, 50% density, 10 inches, and it's from the vendor Hcdiva. The wig cost me about like $80. I didn't know anything about it prior when I bought it. I kind of just go on Amazon and I read the reviews and I look at the pictures and I kind of just like cross my fingers because I don't really know where to get a decent priced 613 wig from. So I just like pray for the reviews. That's it. If you guys like to see how I made this wig, keep watching.
Okay, so you already know what time it is. I got my pot of hot water. It's boiling, it's simmering. So I picked up these dyes from my local beauty supply store. The colors Limelight and Electric Lime. I also got my supplies going. You know, I gotta get the comb. I gotta get the gloves because you do not want to stain your hands. That's not fun. I also picked up some shimmer lights as well because we're just gonna tone the color. You know, I gotta put my red wig on for y'all, show you guys what I'm working with. These are my house clothes while I'm dyeing. You don't want to stain your clothes. Okay, so let's get into this wig that I got from Amazon. It's by the vendor Hcdiva. It's a 613 lace front human hair blonde straight wig with a pre-plucked hairline, and you can wear glueless if you want, but I just don't trust it. They gave me a wig cap, and they gave me a couple other free goodies in the box, like lashes and a care card and all that good stuff like that. This wig was originally I think like $79 or $80, and it's 10 inches. Look at that quality. It's pretty decent for an Amazon wig, you feel me? Look at that flow and bounce. Hopefully it lasts. So let's jump right into this. We're gonna use the Shimmer Light shampoo to tone the brassiness of the hair. Without toning the brassiness of the hair, it will portray a different color of the wig when you are using a watercolor dye. So that's why I prefer to tone it. I would be careful when you are lathering the 613 wig with the purple shampoo, because I kind of made a teensy mistake and I had like clumps of purple shampoo on the wig by accident, and when I was rinsing out, the wig was kind of purple. Like some shades were purple, like I could not rinse it out. But it's okay because in the end result it really didn't appear that way. I just rinsed it out to the best of my ability and I just kept it pushing, honestly. So now my water is boiling and ready. I'm just gonna move over to the next pilot and it's time to mix. So that way we can do our watercolor dye. I'm gonna grab my spoon or whatever. Gloves. Gloves, you need that. Yes, don't dye your fingers. Why would you do that when you can get gloves? Like, don't be a waste man. Like, stay ready. Okay? Great. Yes, here we go. Mixing. I'm starting with my electric lime first. You know what I'm saying? Feeling frisky, feeling great. I don't know what I'm gonna get out of this, but I'm just gonna put the electric lime and let God work his magic. See where that's going. I'm gonna put the whole bottle of electric lime in there. I'm gonna see what's cracking with that. I like to get every drop, so I put it back into the water. Shimmy, shake, and dump. Oh man, just when you thought we was done with the shimmy shake, I had to hit him one more time, and ooh, yes, every drop, honey, resourcefulness. All right, we gonna stir that bad boy up, okay, nice and smooth, nice and see-through. We gonna get it cooking in here. We gonna make sure all of it's dissolved, and then now we're gonna go ahead with our electric lime from the Watercolor. I gave that just a little squizzle, you know what I mean? Just a squizzle. And now I'm gonna add my wig in and let's see what we're gonna get. The key tip here is to always just add a little bit, because you can always go dark, but you can never go light. So just see what you're working with first before you start going ape shit. Like, you don't want to take all the bottles and just throw them in there like a mad scientist. It's not what you're doing. Drop in, stir it around, pick it up, you know what I mean? Play with it. Okay, so this is clearly not the color that I was anticipating. This is like a very like whitish lime green color. That's not what I want. I want a nice solid tone lime green color. So I eventually added some more dye, added more of the electric lime in there to kind of shake it up, judge it up a little bit. So when you're dyeing hair in a watercolor format, what's going to happen is all the color from the water is going to go into the wig and strip itself from the water. So that's why it's going to look kind of swampy and lighter than when you originally started. But that just means that the color is sticking to the wig and not the water. Okay, so I got it to the color that I really like. I just took the cover off the pot to kind of hold the wig because it is a hot product. And I put the water onto cold or cool, just trying to cool the wig down. And I rinsed that bad boy out. One thing I did not do was condition it with the Shimmer Lights conditioner. Forgive me, I was just tired, so I just honestly rinsed it out the best way I could. And just made sure I got out like any excess dye, like runny dye. And I just let that sit. So this is what it looked like fresh out the pot, fresh out the sink. I laid it out on a towel just to absorb the excess water. And me personally, I'm just gonna let it sit overnight. I'm not gonna do anything with it. I just wanted to air dry, you know, just take some of the heat damage away instead of blow drying the whole thing out. But that's what it looks like with the light on. You can absolutely, most positively, definitely wear it as a damp wig, like Nicki Minaj in that one music video. I think it was Bees in the Trap. Please forgive me. I think that's what it was. But you can definitely wear it like that if you want to. Just add a little bit of conditioner. The wig should have a natural wave depending on which type of wig it is or the quality of it. But you can wear it either way, honestly. So this is just a quick video that I took, a little snap of how it looked when I let it air dry overnight, I think for like 2 days, and I brushed it out with like a regular wide bristle brush. And that's before I flat ironed it. This is just for you guys to see what it looks like before.
Yes, hunty, this is the final product. Okay, loving it. I had just as much fun making it as I am wearing it now. I wore this for Halloween. I was a Girl Scout, you know, my outfit was blue and I had this electric lime green, so it was like the perfect complement to my costume. This is a decent wig, you know what I mean, for $80. I don't know if I'd personally buy it again from this vendor, only because there's a lot of flaws. Like, I have like little mini flyaways. I don't know if you can see that. The lace itself is pretty decent, not so much of a screen door. I try to blend it as best as I can. The problem is the stiffness. I feel like this wig is a little stiff, you know what I mean? But I haven't really washed it yet. I've only worn it a couple times, so I'm definitely gonna come back to you guys with updated wig reviews, so don't worry. Thank you for coming. Don't want to keep you here too long. If you like what you see here, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell your cousin, tell your brother, tell your neighbor, tell your neighbor's cousin's friend. Tell everybody you know about me, okay, in this video. And after that, you know what? Go online, buy you a Hcdiva wig and dye it green. Boom. That's if you don't subscribe, I will find you. So subscribe. Thank you for coming. Bye. See you next time.